Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm doing my first of many fall and Halloween house tours for 2023 season. Yes, fall Halloween. So thank you so much for subscribing. I'm not done yet. This is an ongoing process, but this is what I've done so far. It's still super early in the season. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing outside because I haven't done much outside. I don't ever do much outside anyway, but I do the scarecrow, which hasn't been done yet. And then the wreath and mat is up, but I want to show the outside when it's like fully done. Once we have the scarecrow assembled outside. And then of course we're going to be doing some more downstairs as well. But anyway, this is what I've done so far. I haven't put anything in the kitchen, but like I said, this is just what we've done so far. So yeah, we have these witches here. We've had these witches for a long time. And these are vintage at this point, in my opinion, like 30 years. I've had this Grim Reaper. And then over here we have the flowers. Now these flowers are all from Dollar Tree, and I had them pre-assembled. So all I have to do is just like stick them in the vase every year. And they're beautiful. These pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, I believe. These two definitely are. This one I think is from Big Lots, I think. I don't know, it's been so many years now at this point, I don't remember. But yeah. And I'll be adding, like I said, more things downstairs and in the kitchen later in the season. Yeah, mostly everything's upstairs so far. Yes. Okay, so let's go upstairs. We have here, on the way upstairs, one of the welcome signs. Absolutely beautiful. All these big boards are from Dollar Tree, just letting you know. They're $5 each. So as you walk up the stairs, you have these pumpkins, and these actually light up, but I'm not gonna have them on right now because it's daytime. But I'll be doing a separate, like the next house tour, I think I'm gonna do in the evening. So you'll see everything lit up in the evening because it looks different. It's like a different look. So yeah, I'll have these on like in the next one, but these are just how it looks off. And then, this is what I've done so far. These signs are all from Dollar Tree. Some of them are this year or last year. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go here. I love this sign. Happy fall, y'all. Happy Harvest. I got that from Michael's years back. Absolutely beautiful. Let me do the bathroom now before I forget. Oh, yeah, I should. Okay. So we come to the bathroom. We have the chalice from Bath & Body Works. Looking all cute. The snake. And then we have the snake and the roses right there. And then we have these from Bath & Body Works. I got these last year for 50% off last year. The squirrel and the owl. And what else do we have here? Oh, and then this is from Dollar Tree. This is from, I believe, Dollar Tree as well. And this is from Hobby Lobby years back yeah. Happy fall. We have the squirrel soap holder, but you can use this shower gel holder too. And I have pumpkin pecan waffles in there, because I love that scent. You guys know I do. I stand by it. Let's go in this room. So this wreath is beautiful. Also from Hobby Lobby, this Halloween wreath. Beautiful. So you walk in here, and you have the blessed sign. This is from last year. I kept it. But this year I'm keeping it here. This is the cube. I will link everything down below where I hauled everything. I will link the first two Bath & Body Works hauls I've done this season and the Dollar Tree haul I've done so far. If you want to see everything up close that I've hauled. This ghost is new. He's so cute. I'm obsessed with him already. His name is Casper. This is the ghost from Dollar Tree. This is from Target Dollar Spot last year. Let's snuggle and watch movies. And the skull pillow is from, I think, Michael's years ago. Okay, over here we have these, I think, from Michael's as well. These little garlands with pumpkins. I like to wrap them around here. These are really cute. And then I have a black one with orange on here. So yeah, I just wrap all that there. And yeah, okay, and then over here, this welcome sign. Absolutely stunning. Let's close the door really quick. I love these boards, you guys. They are just stunning. They really are. We have this cute little swing, fall harvest swing, and another sign there. So really pretty. Like I said, this is just the beginning. I'm gonna add more stuff as the weeks go ahead. This is just what we've done so far. I mean, it's a lot up here. This you probably recognize from when I film here a lot. The gnomes were from last year, Dollar Tree. These are from Dollar Tree as well. And this is from this year, this board. Hello Fall. And these leaves we've had for years from Hobby Lobby. These leaves there. This welcome, also from Dollar Tree. Beautiful, and all these signs are from Dollar Tree. So beautiful. Okay, this is from Dollar Tree last year. I kept it. The neighbors have the good candy. This is a vintage piece from maybe 30 years ago or more. This is from, I believe, Michael's years back. We've kept him for years. He's a part of the family. Okay, now this is my favorite part. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. Okay, where do we even begin? Let's begin with the leaves. Obsessed. Again, you can see everything lit up better in the evening, but this is just the daytime version. Okay, let's start with here. So, Hocus Pocus Candy Shop, Trick-or-Treaters Welcome. That is the beginning of it, and then we have these leaves. This is stunning, you guys. There's 2 sets of leaves. They're $5 each. Go to your Dollar Tree and get them. They are amazing. They look amazing. Welcome to our patch. We have Fall in Love, leaves. These are all from Dollar Tree. Everything here is Dollar Tree. All this, all those are Dollar Tree. And then, yeah, we'll get to more detail. Here we have a little haunted village. These are vintage candles from years ago. These 2 big ones. And then we have these are from Dollar Tree last year. These little witches and ghosts. But I believe they have these this year as well. I think I saw something like this year as well if you want to get them. They are so cool. All the batteries, which we're going to need to keep all these lights on. This I'm obsessed with, you guys. These stacked pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. This is Bath and Body Works. Last year. This, they have a Dollar Tree this year. Go get it, you guys. It's amazing. It looks better in the evening, but I have it lit up for this video. These are from, I think these are from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of the 2, years back. Had them for a long time. I'll show you these up close. This is all Dollar Tree, these signs here. This is new from Dollar Tree. This is vintage from a long time ago. These are all, this is Dollar Tree, this is vintage. Dollar Tree last year. These are Dollar Tree this year, these skulls. Obsessed with these double skulls. This is Dollar Tree last year. I think they have this again this year. This, I forgot where I got this from. I think this might be another vintage piece. These I got from Michael's years back. A vintage piece and Dollar Tree this year. Yes, this is Michael's vintage piece, Dollar Tree. So yeah, oh, and this I got, I believe, last year at Dollar Tree. This little battery furnace, it's so cute. And this is a soap holder from Bath & Body Works last year. I kept him here, but I'm gonna change it out maybe midway through the season when I get tired of the stinks. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna step back so you can see everything again if I don't fall over. Hitting the couch, but I absolutely love this. It is just so stunning. And it looks even better at night, but I'm gonna, yeah, I can't wait. I'll do another one in a few weeks, like a nighttime version so you can see everything lit up and cute. Happy fall, and then this one is Autumn Blessings. I'm gonna walk over there. That's a little, I forgot where we got this thing at, but I've had this for years, this little tablecloth mat thing. But yeah, Autumn Blessings. Beautiful. Okay, you guys. I think that's everything. Am I forgetting something? I hope I'm not. I don't think I am. Yeah, I think that's everything. That's everything so far, you guys, which is a lot. We've done a lot of stuff already. So, but there's more stuff. I want to put more stuff downstairs. I want to show you the outside next time when everything's fully completed. It's just a few things. Not like we didn't do a lot outside, but a few things that we do outside. Of course, the big wreath. We'll do that next tour. The scarecrow outside, and of course the doormat. But yeah, I'm going to go back to Dollar Tree either Friday or Monday to get more things and see what else I can find and everything. But yeah, this is the house tour part 1. Thank you so much for watching. For more fall and Halloween house tours, all you gotta do is thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing. Until next time, happy fall and Halloween. Bye, guys.